Okay, good morning, all. Uh, my topic of today's presentation is my attempts to make mortgage loan cheaper in America. My story starts 3 years ago. It was a year of 2017, and blockchain technology was gaining a lot of momentum. As a curious mind, I learned more about this technology, and more I learned about this technology, I was more fascinated with this technology. And I started to think application of this new blockchain technology in one of my area of interest, and that is mortgage. So I would like to actually do a screen share here. I wanted to do a screen share here, but this is like one of the initial loan document which is given to the borrower in mortgage home loan application process. This document is called as a loan estimate document. So it's like all lenders in United States are required to provide this document to borrower in 3 days of home loan application, and that is a law. This document provides loan-related information in very consistent format so that it is easier for borrower to understand the document, and it is easier to compare the document from different lenders as well. So this wanted to share that page 2 of this document, which is listing down the varieties of the different fees which are being charged to the borrower in home loan application. And there is a fee called title related fees, and there is a whopping amount of close to $3,000 being charged for title related fees. So the document is simple. This document is a kind of a sample document from CFPB website, which I downloaded, like Consumer Finance Protection Bureau. So I mean to say that these title related fees form a major chunk of mortgage loan closing costs. There are so many different fees, which unfortunately I'm not able to share the document, but there are so many different fees are being charged to the borrower for. But this title related fees is a major chunk of that fees. So what is this fee is for? Why borrowers charge such a heavy fee for home loan? The fee is for ensuring that seller is an authentic owner of the property being sold. That is the single purpose of those fees. And there are so many buckets of those fees. There are so many different headers like title search fee and so many fees which are related to the title fee. And now let's look at the similar fee being charged in some other industry. I want to say here the car industry. Now Carfax provides this vehicle title related information at a fraction of cost, that is $39.99. So it's a similar process and similar fees, but why is it so much expensive in case of a mortgage? Because Carfax runs a query against the database and provides the result in online manner. While in case of a mortgage, there is no single database which authenticates the users is the authentic owner of their home. There are multiple ways of verification. There is so many manual processes out there. So that is the main reason that process itself is becoming quite expensive. And my idea was to build an online database using blockchain technology and recording every single mortgage or property transactions on this blockchain platform. And this will definitely reduce the title related fees dramatically. I was working with Cognizant at that time, and Cognizant came up with a program known Accelerated Launchpad Program. So I submitted my idea. It was like the program is like that employees can submit their idea, and if the idea is selected, Cognizant will fund that idea and bring it to the marketplace. So I submitted my idea to that program. Though my idea was not selected, the program helped me a lot in clarifying my thoughts in terms of how big the market is and very detailed cost benefit analysis, which I have not done it earlier. So it was so much helpful, though I was not selected in that program. And then someone from Cognizant suggested that I should sign up for Y Combinator. And I did sign up for that program. This is massively open online course for entrepreneurs. I signed up for this program and I was amazed to see how much people are willing to help other people like them. At that time, I was working for a bank in Cleveland in their mortgage technology unit. I talked to various people in the bank and I got a feedback that bank is not in the business related to the mortgage title, and they bank do not have any intention to diversify into that space. Somehow I was very convinced that I need to work in this space. I had this inner voice that some I thought that was telling me that I need to work in that space. So I need to create, and for that I need to create a minimum viable product or proof of concept in order to further. So I checked with few title companies in Cleveland area, but I did not get a positive feedback from any of the title companies. In December of 2018, Cleveland hosted its first blockchain conference called as Blockland. So I attended that conference and met some of the entrepreneurs who are working in this area. I was very happy to see development work is going on in this area. And I wish them best of luck. And I hope that someday all mortgage transactions will be recorded on blockchain platform and potentially we can reduce the title related fees. And friends, this is my story on my attempts to make mortgage loan cheaper in America. Thank you.